am very happy about this very new update on the Paws Airdrop. Look at it right here. 4 hours ago on their X page, if you look at it, the ticker is Paws right here and in different languages. And if you look at it, 16 April 2025 is now the date. And this date is not actually pointing to listing because they did not put anything like that, like listing date is now this 16 April 2025. However, this can be the listing date, but a couple of things here, guys, that we need to watch. As I made mention of in my immediate last video, I don't want this video to stay long more than 3 minutes. And if you come to the calendar right here, you discover that in my immediate last video yesterday, Paws was talking about Wednesday, which was today. They brought out that information today about 16, which is next week Wednesday. We have 23rd right here and the 30th of this very month. So any of these days can be the date of listing. And if you come to that very post again, you discover that they did not really mention about listing, and that is somehow complicated. They just say 1604 2025. So I am looking at two things here as well. Number one is either on the 16th, which is Wednesday next week, is the very day they're going to announce the real listing date, or on the 16th of April 2025 is going to be the listing date proper. No one knows, because if you look at it, there is no listing date attached to this very information right here. This is just the ticker is Paws, and this can be two things, like I mentioned, either number one, the listing date proper, or on the 16th, which is next week Wednesday, will be the date they're going to announce the listing date proper. And this is super important because I am definitely waiting on this very airdrop. This is one of the airdrop I put all my energy in, and I want to see it till the very end, whether it's going to turn out to be very good or another dust in the pipeline. And one thing very important here is the price prediction. You know, I have given my price prediction before. So what is still your price prediction, despite the fact that Paws really want to list, despite we are in a very chaotic market? Comment below in the comment section of this very video, what is your price prediction on this very token? Have you changed it, or you still stick with your old price prediction? Comment below right now. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe if you have not, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for all that crypto content. Join our Telegram channel, the link in the description of this very video, and also in the pinned comment for more crypto update. Thanks for watching.